This is Clicbot. Cute, right? Clicbot is a family robot that's a bit different. His expressions and characteristics were designed by Carlos Bina, an award-winning designer. He has over 200 interactions that will make you fall in love with him. He can also dance, compete, and play with you. Play trivia. Chase the ball, and a ton of other games. This would already make him pretty remarkable, but here's where he's different. Clicbot is an entire universe. See, this is also Clicbot. It has wheels and can follow you around. This, it's also Clicbot. It can climb walls, and this one crawls, and this one is a mean driving machine, and this one serves snacks. Now these are not separate robots, they're all just one Clicbot. See, Clicbot is modular. The good kind of modular. The kind that works like magic. Instead of hundreds of motors, servos, cables, and chips, Clicbot is built from smart building blocks that know how you connect them. Right out of the box, Clicbot comes with 50 predefined robots you can build easily. But it doesn't end there. After you've mastered these, you can create more than 10,000 other robots, limited only by your imagination. Did we say different? Now let's talk STEM. Clicbot takes a new approach to STEM and learning code. Most STEM products are either too simple or way too complicated. Clicbot goes all the way from super basic to real-world coding. Here's how. Built a new robot by just clicking pieces together? How will you program it to drive? Well, you don't need to. Just hit record and move the robot however you wish. And that's it. Now you can control it. Want to teach it to do something? Hit record, move it, and that's it. You can now play that sequence. No code. Ready to level up? Clicbot is fully programmable with a friendly drag-and-drop coding interface. Blocky by Google. With a ton of sensors, you can really make it do anything. And you're not alone in this learning process. The Clicbot Academy has over 30 video tutorials that teach code from beginner to advanced, with many more added regularly. But even that is just to get you started. Clicbot has a built-in community where you can share your creations and learn from others, so you never run out of ideas or ways to learn new things. Want to level up even higher? Clicbot is also compatible with Python, so the code-savvy grown-up children can create even more complex actions. So to summarize, a lovable robot that plays games, dances, climbs, and drives with smart modular building blocks that make it 10,000 robots, and STEM learning from starter to pro with tutorials and a great community. So if you want a new family member that's a little different, this is Clicbot. Cute, right?
Say hello to Winky, your new friend. At MainBot, we have created Winky to motivate and stimulate children through educational games. Winky helps children aged 5 to 12 to learn the fundamentals of robotics, artificial intelligence, and programming while having fun with the family. Learning with Winky is a unique and exciting experience. It begins with the assembly, which makes it possible to understand what it is composed of and how it works, and continues with the editor application Winky Lab. Using a visual programming language, children learn to code while creating their own edutainment apps. More than 20 create-your-own apps are already available, including the alarm clock, the hot potato game, or red light, green light. They improve cognitive abilities in children: speed, creativity, problem solving, logic, adaptability, concentration, memory, and attention. Winky's apps can be played independently and do not require a tablet nor a screen. They can be enjoyed individually or with the family. Winky is built to last and evolve with children as they grow up. Several accessories are already available to change Winky's appearance and functionality, and others are being created. Thanks to its unique artificial intelligence, Winky develops its own interactions with the environment and encourages learning throughout the day. We have proved with more than 4,000 families that children learn faster and easier with Winky, but above all that, they enjoy the learning experience. A team of experts in artificial intelligence, robotic, gaming, design, and animation, as well as a network of business associates and industrialization partners gave life to Winky, the first educational robot made in France.
Tout a démarré quand on a appris, ma femme et moi, qu'on allait devenir parents. De là, très rapidement, on a voulu préparer notre petite fille au monde de demain. Étant convaincu qu'il faudra parler l'informatique demain comme il faut parler l'anglais aujourd'hui, Winky est prêt à être livré chez vous. Rejoignez l'aventure, précommandez Winky.
Give your kids a robot to learn, create, love, and play. Winky, the first educational and evolutive robot made in France.
For kids, learning new words can be a task, which is boring and not fun. That was when we asked ourselves, how could we encourage kids to learn new words in a more fun and interactive way? That led us to develop Wordee, an educational toy that was made to be engaging and fun for kids who are learning new words.
3歳の息子がワーディーが出す文字を見て、これは何て読むのと質問してきてくれたんです。言葉に興味を持って自分から覚えようとしてくれたんだと思います。皆さんもぜひ子供の考える力や想像力を育むワーディーと一緒にお子さんと遊んであげてください。
There are several features of how you can use Wordee with a smartphone device. As one of the features, you can use our app to let Wordee print out words. This can be used as a tool for educational purposes, encouraging kids to learn words with interactive activity. The second feature is using it as a simple drawing board to print out what you draw with your smartphone app. Another feature is inserting your own words or phrases. With such features, Wordee will be a great companion to help your child learn new words in a new way.
Wordee is a digital toy that provides something entirely new from other conventional toys in the market today. The contents and the way to enjoy Wordee is limitless. With your help, we can realize our dream to make Wordee available for everyone. You can find more information in this page about our product. We look forward to your support. Thank you for your time.
LittleArm Kickstarter, Scene 1, Take 1, and action.
The best resource for teaching STEM. This is because it's a compilation of so many different disciplines. Mechanics, physics, programming, electronics, even biology. When we created the original LittleArm, we did it to provide a robotics platform for educators and makers. But the problem is that the LittleArm is limited in its capabilities. As kids move higher into their education, like high school and college, it doesn't provide everything that they need in order to continue to progress. We knew that we had to create a full-size robot arm, something that had the potential for all kinds of true applications, but also provided enough complexity to present a challenge at higher levels of education. So we created the LittleArm Big. It still has the same simple foundation of the original LittleArm, so kids as young as 6 can get started with it, and anyone who's interested can implement it maybe at the workbench or heck even in the home. But it's still flexible and capable enough to be used at levels as high as a university laboratory. We're here on Kickstarter to provide the funding for the initial run of the LittleArm Big. The money that we raise will go towards expanding our printer farm, as well as ordering those initial components. Please help us create a better robot arm for STEM education by ordering one of the rewards over on the side. But if you can't do that, at least follow us on social media so that you can get updates about what's going on in the LittleArm family. Thanks, everybody.
Welcome to the future world. Combined with advanced technology, liberal art and humanities, an incredible new creature is born. Just like a real cat, MarsCat is fully autonomous, stretching, tapping, and even burying litter. It may express different emotions by different meows or gestures. MarsCat can play with you or your toys because it can feel, hear,
Mars, go sleep,
and see. It can interact with objects or people nearby, even play with real cats. It heals with purr sounds. Every MarsCat is unique, from its eyes, body to personality. You can pet it and shape its characters in your own way. Dress it up, make it more adorable. MarsCat is open-sourced and programmable. With powerful quad-core Raspberry Pi, you can create your own applications. MarsCat is also an ideal choice for education, research, and commercial purpose. Batteries last for around 3 hours for active reactions, or 6 hours for regular motions. We value your privacy, and all data is stored offline. Join us for a new era of technology. Dream up a new world, break the boundaries, and embrace the future. The MarsCat has been designed for you. Elephant Robotics. Enjoy Robot's World.
Since kids get distracted easily, parents are always concerned about how to best communicate with their kids. As education experts say, it is crucial for parents to help kids form good habits in this stage. Now we have Honeybot, the first educational family robot designed especially for young kids. Distinguishing from other similar products, we have integrated AR technology into interactive activities. For example, kids can draw a picture and then Honeybot will recognize the object and turn it into animation with educational explanation and music. We have also prepared many flashcards of diverse objects. With AR technology, kids can show the flashcards to Honeybot, and Honeybot will display the objects on the screen in 3D form with explanation to help kids learn and memorize. Honeybot's habit-forming system was designed to help parents guide their kids to develop good habits easily. Kids can keep a virtual pet with Honeybot. Like a real pet, it will get hungry, dirty, and tired. As the pet owners, the kids will need to feed it, give it baths, and put it to bed according to different scenes. From such interactions, kids will be able to gradually build good habits. Besides its educating function, Honeybot is also designed to help communication between parents and kids be more fun and effective. Parents can use the voice-changing function with smartphones and send a voice message to Honeybot. Honeybot will then play the message to kids with a funny voice. Even when parents are miles away, they can video call their kids and talk to them face to face. We hope that Honeybot becomes the angel of your home by providing good company for your kids, helping you and your kids bond, and helping kids gain knowledge and develop good habits. Considering the safety issues, we only use the safest and most environmental-friendly materials to make Honeybot, and we made it into more of a round shape without sharp angles. We have already finished R&D and small batch production. Now we need your help and support to mass produce Honeybot. Please support us and make Honeybot into reality.
Hello, Indiegogo friends. My name is Javier Lamas. I am the creator and owner of DUMY project. I have always believed in a helpful and friendly technology. A technology that makes our life easier for everybody. I have focused on allowing DUMY to hold extended conversations in different languages.
Hello, Indiegogo friends. My name is DUMY. I can speak in English.
Without the need of having DUMY constantly activated, making it ideal to have it as a daily companion. Once you receive it at home, you just need to turn it on and say what language you prefer to use with DUMY. DUMY will take care of you and your family. Simplify your life. Adopt a DUMY. Say goodbye, DUMY.
I love you, Indiegogo friends. See you soon.
Meet Riley, the app bot who's always on the move. Riley's a robot you can control with your smartphone over Wi-Fi or from anywhere around the world through the internet. Just download the app and link up. That's it. Riley's easy to maneuver with multiple speeds, so there's no job he can't do. Left for work in a rush? That's okay. Riley can check to make sure your doors are locked. Out of town? Riley can send you alerts from a built-in motion detector. Who needs a pet sitter? Riley's great with animals. Soon, he'll even be your kid's new best friend. And thanks to his built-in speaker and microphone, the days of yelling across the house are over.
Dad, dinner's ready.
Instead of traditional wheels, Riley has grippy belts, so he can easily tackle any surface. Wood floors, carpet, grass. Riley can conquer it all. Well, almost. And with swappable belts of different colors, he's always in style too. Uh-oh, battery low. Riley knows when he needs to recharge. But that doesn't mean he's off duty. Even from the docking station, he can monitor your home overnight. Well, time to power down. Tomorrow's another busy day. Good night, Riley.
KUBO revolutionizes the way we teach coding with the introduction of the tactile programming language. Two years ago, Daniel and I started a research-based project to teach children in the age 4 to 10 about basic coding. We did this because we believe programming skills are essential for kids to acquire to succeed in the 21st century. The result of this project is KUBO Robot.
In 2034, it is estimated that 47% of all the jobs that we know today will no longer exist. They'll be taken over by robotics and artificial intelligence.
Therefore, kids need to learn basic coding skills in order to work side by side with technology. The problem with the way we teach coding today is that we introduce it too late and we use too complex tools.
We are taking coding out of the screen and onto the table, so coding becomes as easy as doing a puzzle game.
The robot consists of two parts, a head and a body. It's so intuitive that all you have to do is to assemble the two and KUBO is ready for action. KUBO revolutionizes the way we teach coding with the introduction of the tactile programming language. When you use the tactile coding package, children learn crucial 21st century skills like collaboration, communication, critical thinking and creativity. You can also add the language package and children will learn to spell their first words.
For every KUBO subject package, we provide learning material with examples, and therefore KUBO can both be used in schools and in homes as the coolest preschool toy. Our design philosophy is, if you design for children, you should design with children. And that's the reason why we involve children in every important design decision.
It is our dream that every child will have the opportunity to learn coding from a very early age. When you support KUBO, you help us achieve that dream.
If you want to support or learn more about the KUBO Robot project, check out our Indiegogo campaign page.